This is a fire-fighting machine. Vacuum is used to extinguish the fire. The car just the gas give it fire inside. Agricultural machinery helps to make people's work easier. Tractors, grain harvesters, harvesting equipment all help to harvest crops in a short time. This amphibious vehicle can travel on snow, ice or water. The engine of this car works even at the big frost. The car is intended for work in severe northern conditions. You can cook and sleep in it.
Any production today is an effective cooperation between man and technology. Production machines perform more and more tasks every day. Very often a person only controls the production process. Look at this powerful machine. She is not afraid of weather conditions and forest thickets. The machine that will overcome all obstacles.
This is a 3-axle onboard large tonnage truck, produced by the Karma automobile plant, able to carry large loads over long distances.
Today's specialists are very different from those workers who worked in factories a few decades ago. And the production processes themselves are very different.
We turn it over like an eighth of a turn.
Agricultural machinery helps to make people's work easier. Tractors, grain harvesters, harvesting equipment all help to harvest crops in a short time. A bicycle can be used for more than just getting around. With the help of a bicycle, you can transport goods over long distances. For this, you need a trailer. How to make an all-terrain vehicle out of a car. The TRACKNGO caterpillar mechanism will help turn the car into an all-terrain vehicle. And then the car can move on snow, sand or earth.
Woodworking equipment is needed for processing wood, which is used in construction, furniture manufacturing, and more.
The unicycle is often used in circus performances. It is difficult to ride, but some people have good balance and ride it with ease.